In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an exit intent quiz in Outgrow, a powerful tool for interactive content that can boost your conversion rates and keep your visitors engaged right before they leave your site. Whether you're new to Outgrow or just looking to create something impactful, I've got you covered. Stick around till the end because I'll also share how you can get an exclusive extended free trial of this software to start creating your own quizzes, all at no cost to you. First, let's dive into Outgrow. If you're unfamiliar with it, Outgrow is an interactive content platform that allows you to create personalized quizzes, surveys, calculators, and much more. It's great for businesses looking to engage their visitors and capture leads through tailored experiences. To create an exit intent quiz, the first thing you need to do is log into your Outgrow account. Once you're in, you'll want to click on Create New at the top right and select Quiz from the list of content types. This will open up the quiz builder where the fun begins. Now, you have a few options to get started. You can either start from scratch or choose one of Outgrow's pre-built templates. For a quick start, I recommend choosing a template that matches your goals. Outgrow has tons of customizable templates to fit various industries and niches, so there's a good chance you'll find something that fits your needs. Once you've selected your template, the next step is to customize your questions. You'll want to craft engaging and relevant questions that align with your target audience. This is the key to making your exit intent quiz work effectively. Think of it as an opportunity to offer value like a recommendation, a discount, or personalized content based on their answers. Here's the exciting part. How do you make sure this quiz shows up when people are about to leave your site? That's where the exit intent trigger comes into play. Outgrow allows you to set up exit intent triggers, so when a visitor is about to leave the page, by moving their mouse to the top of the screen, the quiz will pop up. You can find this option in the behavior settings within the quiz builder. Simply enable the exit intent option and you're good to go. One thing to keep in mind is how you design the exit intent quiz. Since this is the last thing your visitors will see before they leave, make it count. Keep the quiz short, ideally under 5 questions, so it's not too intrusive. You want to offer something that entices them to stay just a bit longer, whether it's an exclusive offer, a discount code, or valuable advice that can benefit them. The results page is another important aspect of your exit intent quiz. You want to ensure it's optimized for conversions. When setting up your results, provide actionable insights or offers based on their answers. You could even offer a lead magnet or a special discount that compels them to convert. Outgrow makes this process easy with customizable result pages that allow you to tailor the message to each user. Once you're done with the setup, don't forget to test your quiz. Preview it to see how the exit intent feature works. Make sure the quiz triggers only when someone's about to leave the page, and double check that your design and message are on point. And just before you finish, here's a pro tip. Use Outgrow's analytics to track the performance of your quiz. See how many people are engaging with it, where they drop off, and which answers are the most popular. This data can help you tweak your quiz over time for even better results. If you want to get started with Outgrow and create your own exit intent quizzes, be sure to check the first link in the description below. You can try Outgrow completely free with our exclusive bonus, an extended free trial that lets you explore all the features you need to boost your conversion rates and grow your business. So, to wrap it up, creating an exit intent quiz in Outgrow is simple and powerful. With just a few steps, you can turn your visitors into leads, keep them engaged, and drive conversions. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial, and I'll see you in the next video.